to build up the courage. Okay, ready.
Hi guys!
No, I want to do it. Hi guys, we're Tori and Sebastian, and today we're going to be doing some wood burning. What is wood burning?
Using designs and burning.
Using designs.
Using designs.
Burning designs
Oh.
into wood
Well,
using a hot end pen like this deal. See, now it's hot. It changed color.
You like moved it, so now it's gonna go 4-year-old. So for this project, we're using carbon paper, wood. Well, you don't have to show them so it could be real. Wood.
Keep going.
Wood. Pencil to draw out the design. A template. Wood burning pens and tape. I don't think I got B-roll of the tape, but I think it's okay.
Everyone knows what tape is.
Okay. We have 2 designs that we copied from a template online, and we're gonna burn them into this wood.
Yeah. Let's get started.
Let's get started, shall we? So now we're gonna have a working. We've finally completed our projects.
Yeah. I really like the outcome of them. They actually look really cool and align with the templates really well. So, yeah. What do you wish we could have done differently?
Have better heat guns.
Yeah, we had this one we had this one wood burning tool that was a little cheaper than this other one we have. This one is Plaid, they're a good company and everything. It's just that the heat setting dial isn't really the best. It really only had 2 settings, a high and a high medium. So really wasn't much. But this walnut hollow one that we have, it has an adjustable dial and it can really dial in very well. We have a template made here. Focus. We have this template to show how much variability you can get from this walnut hollow one. We just made this from sitting down and adjusting the temperature but yeah.
Look how good this is. Look how good in detail.
Now I really like yours though. It was actually one of the designs that I wanted to pick out before I knew what you were picking out. So, but I love the planets and everything. That one kind of looks like a baseball.
Oh, thank you. I guess.
So yeah, make sure to like the video and subscribe for future content.
But until next time.
See ya. I don't know.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.